Today we will be installing your Blindsgalore Faux Wood Blinds. Before you begin, check your box to ensure your window treatment is as ordered and your install guide and hardware is included. Also, confirm your blinds fit properly by holding them up to the window frame and checking measurement accuracy. For install, you will need a tape measure, screwdriver, power drill with drill bits, and a pencil. You may also need a level, and for taller windows, a ladder. Consider drywall anchors if mounting directly into drywall without a stud. Your first installation step is to mark the drill sites for the brackets. These ones will be mounted to the side. Drill the marked points and screw in the brackets. Make sure to attach the valance clips to the headrail before installation. We recommend placing the valance clips 6 inches from each side. Mark both the headrail and valance to align the clips for a smooth install. Next, ensure the bracket tabs are open and slide in the headrail. Once the blinds are installed, push the tabs closed until they click into place. Attach the tilt wand to the blinds. Then, bring the valance to the headrail, slide the clips into each groove to attach the valance.
We recommend testing your blinds by raising and lowering to ensure even movement.
Make sure to also test your tilt wand by rotating the slats open and closed. We also want to check for proper tension by stopping it mid-window. From measuring to installing, we're here to help you every step of the way. Find us at blindsgalore.com.